Welcome to Wallet Wonderland. Step into a magical realm where the world of cryptocurrency comes to life in vibrant claymation. Here, everything is colorful, wobbly, and full of fun surprises. Let's dive into the world of crypto wallets, but imagine it all in claymation. Picture friendly characters holding hands, ready to guide you through the fascinating world of digital money. Imagine colorful, wobbly characters learning about digital money. They're excited, curious, and eager to understand how this new form of currency works. It's like a fun, stop-motion adventure. Imagine embarking on a journey where every step is a discovery, and every twist and turn brings new insights into the world of crypto. So what's a crypto wallet? You might be wondering, what exactly is this magical tool that everyone keeps talking about? Imagine a tiny digital piggy bank for your cryptocurrency. This isn't just any piggy bank. It's a special one that keeps your digital coins safe and secure. Just like you store cash in a real wallet, a crypto wallet keeps your digital coins safe and sound. It's your personal vault in the digital world. But here's the thing, it doesn't actually hold your coins. Instead, it holds something even more important. It holds special codes like secret keys to access your crypto on the blockchain. These keys are your ticket to managing and using your digital assets. Think of it like your online banking app, but for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all those cool digital currencies. It's a gateway to a new financial world where everything is digital and the possibilities are endless. As you explore Wallet Wonderland, you'll learn how to navigate this new terrain. You'll discover how to send and receive digital money, how to keep your assets secure, and how to make the most of your crypto wallet. Think of it as finding hidden treasures in a digital landscape. Each piece of knowledge you gain is like uncovering a new gem that adds to your understanding and confidence in using cryptocurrency. So, get ready to dive into this whimsical world. With each step, you'll become more familiar with the tools and concepts that make up the fascinating world of crypto wallets. Welcome to Wallet Wonderland, where learning about digital money is a delightful adventure. Why do you need this digital piggy bank? Well, imagine trying to buy a virtual pizza with Bitcoin without a wallet. Chaos. You need a safe place to store, send, and receive your digital dough. Crypto wallets give you control over your funds. You decide when and how to spend your crypto. No more relying on banks or third parties. It's all you, baby. Let's meet the big boys first. Hardware wallets. These are like the Fort Knox of crypto storage, super secure and offline. They look like little USB drives and keep your crypto safe from hackers and malware. Think of it this way, even if your computer gets hacked, your crypto in a hardware wallet stays safe. It's like having a separate offline vault for your digital gold. Next up, software wallets. These digital tools are essential for managing your cryptocurrency. These are like apps on your phone or computer. They allow you to store, send, and receive digital currencies with ease. They're convenient for everyday transactions, like buying that virtual pizza or sending some Bitcoin to a friend. Imagine being able to pay for your coffee or split a bill at a restaurant, all with just a few taps on your phone. There are different types of software wallets. Desktop wallets for your computer, which are great for those who prefer managing their funds on a larger screen. Mobile wallets for your smartphone, offering the convenience of accessing your funds on the go. Whether you're at a store or traveling, your digital cash is always within reach. And web wallets accessed through websites, which can be handy if you need to manage your funds from different devices without installing any software. Each has its own pros and cons. Desktop wallets offer robust security but can be less convenient. Mobile wallets are super handy but might be less secure. Web wallets are accessible from anywhere but depend on the security of the website. Choose the one that best fits your needs and lifestyle. Mobile wallets, crypto on the go. Mobile wallets are like your trusty sidekicks for crypto on the go. They're perfect for quick transactions like paying for coffee with Bitcoin or sending some Ethereum to a friend. However, keep in mind that mobile wallets can be less secure than hardware wallets. Always download from trusted sources and keep your phone secure. Finding your perfect match. In this part, we will guide you through the process of selecting the ideal wallet for your needs. Just like finding the perfect pair of shoes, choosing the right wallet is a personal journey that requires careful consideration. Choosing the right wallet is like finding the perfect pair of shoes. It's not just about the look, it's about the fit, the comfort, and how well it serves your purpose. You wouldn't wear hiking boots to a formal event, and similarly, you wouldn't use a basic wallet for advanced crypto trading. It depends on your needs. Are you looking for something simple and easy to use, or do you need a wallet with advanced features and high security? The options can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through them. Are you a crypto newbie just starting out? If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, you might want to start with a software wallet. These are generally user-friendly and can be easily accessed from your smartphone or computer. A software wallet might be a good fit. They are convenient and perfect for those who are just beginning their crypto journey. You can manage your assets on the go and get a feel for how digital wallets work without too much hassle. Are you a seasoned hodler with a stash of Bitcoin? If you've been in the crypto game for a while and have accumulated a significant amount of assets, you might want to consider a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet is your best bet. These wallets offer enhanced security by storing your private keys offline, making them less vulnerable to hacking attempts. They are ideal for long-term storage and for those who prioritize security above all else. Think about your security needs, how much you value the safety of your assets, and what level of protection you are comfortable with. Security is a crucial factor in choosing the right wallet. How often you'll use your wallet and how frequently you plan to access your funds. If you're making daily transactions, you'll need a wallet that's easily accessible and user-friendly. And what features are important to you? Do you need multi-currency support, or are you looking for a wallet with integrated exchange features? Make a list of what you need and compare different wallets to see which ones meet your criteria. Do your research and choose wisely, my friend. The right wallet can make a world of difference in your crypto experience. Take your time, weigh your options, and select the wallet that best fits your needs and lifestyle. Stay safe in Wallet Wonderland. Remember, with great crypto comes great responsibility. Always keep your wallet safe and secure. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys with anyone. Think of your crypto wallet like a real wallet. You wouldn't leave your cash lying around, would you? The same goes for your digital assets. Stay safe, stay smart, and happy hodling.